Hey, Cussin, you suck.
Woo! Y'all talk. I'm loving it. No, and I'm loving it. You know I do.
One, two, three, four, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's Heschlot time. That's right. Welcome to the. I got a funk door for the first. Oh no. Oh, we set this one up. Hey, judges, pay attention. Hey, you just merged on green or red. What are you supposed to merge on? Oh, yes.
I cannot believe you stuck that.
Beastie right there. Oh, I'm gonna make those for my kids. They're called smack cakes. Ow!
Yowza, wow.
I cannot believe that dude was jumping sharks. Now he's running this team. Yeah! Woo, kick 4 on the floor. That's it. Sick. Just chilling. You could too. You got 10 seconds if you want it.
Oh, you got this. It's in the bag.
They're forking you. You're done. It's over. Woo! Racking up boards. Look at. What did those whipping what? I think we already. Did we do the countdown? We did. Let's go. 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 They took the last one. Can they do it again? You went spelunking in the cave there, buddy, and he found something good. Yeah, big shout out to Miracle Whip for just like hooking us up with the whoopee rails. What do you make 1 foot? Hey, you know what? Slamming is a sport in itself. You're good at it. Wednesday? Looks like Wednesdays with Retta's team is killing it. Got 10 seconds, make it good. And that's time. Yeah! Whales rock. You've been given the visual cue, now I'm giving you an audio cue. Go, suckers! Run and deliver, because it's the third round. Nice shouting Poco! Look at that dude, killing it.
Whoa, watch out.
Woo! Someone's got the eye of the tiger right now. Oh no! That's why those guys are a team. Man, these guys are killing it, and they don't even have a good filmer. Shingo! I'm talking to you, that's right. Woo! Tasty stuff, maintaining that lead. Yeah, your team's on it. Now, let's see, if I had 10 seconds left, what would I do? Save it for later. You're done. It's time. Ah, what you guys been doing? You.
Black box distribution. All right. Let them horses go. This is your chance to shine.
Oh, yeah, dude. Buttery.
Pulling that one off just barely, but real well done.
Go rollerblade.
Keep it up, on your way to the top spot.
God, blowing it. What is that, Joe? Front ball, one more.
This is solid and grind. Oh, gosh. Oh, my gosh. Are you okay? This is it. Last go.
Dad, use your eyes.
And freeze. Time's done. This one is a bittersweet victory. Round 2 jam session on. The contest starts. Go. Let's see a repeat of the last round.
Oh, yeah, like you worked in my way there.
Who's the quarterback and the chief is the coach. Black box in number 1 spot. Sketchy will not get you the points, and points is beware. Skate with care.
Back up, watch out.
For a black box employee answering phone, you would be proud right now because your team is about to win. Cole maintaining, salivating there for the black box team right now. And time! Black box at the top. Round 3 is a best trick.
All right, let's get there. Let's
All right, let's get this started. Oh, round 3. Yes, go.
And I was in my line.
It's like you already knew what you were gonna do, and you did it. And now you're in number 1 spot with plenty of time left.
Sorry, man. Sorry.
Oh, Smithers with a terrible fall. My goodness. But he's getting up. There you go. I can only do 6 tricks, but one of them With skating like that, with the win, no doubt about it, killing it today. Goofy versus Ray. GVR. The competitors are ready to go. Okay, who's gonna take number 1 spot? Anyone want to plug my meter?
Could you take it easy, man? Sit.
Oh! Putting together some serious combinations. If you didn't know, you will soon. That's the regular team at the top of the leaderboard. It's not a surprise because they got a lot of good guys on their team. Here we go with the backside grind. Snap, flick, catch. That was such a good kickflip. On that leaderboard that matters, and that's number 1. Regulars got it, and they're taking it home.
Could you take it easy, man?
Time is ticking, my friends. Get those tricks out. And that's time. Take a close look at the name right beside number 1. Round 2 on the side lane. All right, and the timer started.
Oh, first
as a team, they were solid in the last one. Let's see if they've got what it takes to have this one. Keep your game tight, because if you keep skating like that, you're going to keep this lead. Okay, guys, chill out. We're all on the same team, if you will. Varial heel flip to smash yourself. Oh my goodness, the regular team running-ish like laxative.
Hey, can you think you could slow it down a bit,
Regular team, yeah, they're winning. Winning real good lack.
Oh, nice one. Sweet. Cool, Lizard. Awesome.
Crack out those bangers, not much time remaining. All right, that's it. Time's up. The regular team with a lot of heart. Round 3 is a jam. This contest involves you skating, so go! Last round showed who's the winner. Let's just have a little showboat round. Maintaining right now that first place spot. Keep it up and you got this, run. You're killing it! Murdering it! Assassinating it! I've been watching these cats skate for years, and it's no doubt why they're in first place. You're killing it. Not goofy, it's regular, and yeah, they're in the top spot right now. The leaderboard is taking over.
I like those moves.
Oh, put your adult diaper on. That was a foot plant. Oh, keep going, keep going. to the top of that lead. Solid skateboarding and just a really good day here.
Oh,
You
dude,
killed
it's
it.
sick
We-
out there, man. I skated way better.
Ho, ho, ho. And it's time to get it
Allez, c'est
cracking.
parti.
All right, listen. Hey, that's my car. Let's go. Oh,
Oh, gee. Hey, man, watch out. Watch where you're going. Holy cow, that was close.
no. Oh, well avoided with a good run out on that one.
Oh là là, sortez.
Oh, clean. Keeping it at the top of the leaderboard, your team is doing very well. Concentrate.
Ça fait mal.
Oh, I see. Yeah, you get your flow going right now.
Watch where you going.
Yes, yes, yes. You and your team are killing it right now. Keep it up. You got this win.
Ah, you hung over?
Let's get it going.
Yeah, right.
Oh, wow, that was close. That was close.
Tickety tock, the time is done. You know, I was really impressed with you. All right, round 2 is best trick on the bridge, not a.
Now, we are the best looking
And
team
they're
out
off. You're not a horse. Start the contest. And if last round was anything to go on, this one is to be
here.
taken.
Oh, got it. Hey, that's okay. I forgive
Oh, running out of it real well there.
you. Wow, sick, man. That was great.
Oh, that was a collision. Get his information. You need to contact your insurance company.
Oh, man. Wait.
You are the #1 team, guys. Keep it up. You're at the top of the leaderboard. This is really home.
Yeah, Jojo. That was sick.
That arm bent back the wrong.
Here, I got one for you. Hey, try to grab Indy. What's your problem?
If sketchy was an art form, you'd be Picasso. Not well done, my friend. Oh, you're doing it. Your team is at the top. Let's keep it up.
Yeah, show me. What? No way.
Skate 3 now with more running.
Oh.
Under 10 seconds left. Crack it. And 3, 2, that's time. Look at this, a lot of hard work. Got you. Round 3's got a long. All right, let's get it going.
Is this
The
on
evidence
television?
is conclusive. Let's put the cherry on this one.
Right in your way there. Hey, come on, man.
Great burial. Look at that.
That was tight, Lucas. Get him
Beware
back
the
there on the way
attack
home.
rail, because it will attack you. Yes! It was like you were, like flowing like a river. That was, I'm gonna cry. That was amazing. Good work. I really can't say much about this team, but great, good, amazing, spectacular. Let's crack out some bangers. This is the ender. All right, that's all we got. If you want to see... Yeah, you done did it. You took this contest well and clean.